You've probably read from the title that we are doing some stained nails today, so let's get into it. I'm not joking, no my guys, them know me. Hey guys, I am going to be doing my right hand today. I already have on rubber base gel on my nails. This is the rubber base gel that I have on from Bling Girl in China Mall. So I already have it on. I am just going to apply a peel off base coat on my nails. I'm going to be using these full cover nails that I also got somewhere in China Mall. So this is a peel off base coat I'm going to be using, and I got this peel off base from Pretty Nails Uncut. If you haven't watched the video where I unboxed the giveaway that I won from her channel, I am going to link it up in the cards. I am still grateful to this day. I will not stop to thank her. But yes, I am going to be using this peel off base coat because I want to peel these nails off. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Q2 glue to apply these nails onto my nails, and I don't usually put on my full cover nails all the way to my cuticle area. I just feel like it looks weird when I do, so I am just going to put it on like that, and actually it glues on really quickly because of that peel off base coat. This is how the nails are looking. I'm just gonna file off the nibs of these nails, yeah, so that it's neat, right? We don't want those nibs off the top of the nails to be there, of course. Just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love me, I see no way to me. I do with the world I've seen her. We are nobody who be over. Now the love I live over. Who's a bold with a right, and then I am going to brush off the dust from my nails, and I'm thinking maybe I should clean up my cuticle areas. Yes, so this is exactly what I am going to do. I am going to be using a ball bit. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I'm going to be using a ball bit around my cuticle areas because, like I said, I did not apply my full cover tips all the way to my cuticle areas, and I don't want it to be hanging. Like, I don't want the nails to have a dip at the top, so I'm just gonna use this bit to clean up that area right there. And yeah, hopefully I don't file off the peel off base coat because I have a peel off base coat. So yeah, I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down. Right, so now that I am done, I want to wipe off the dust on my fingernails, and I'm using sanitizer to just remove the dust. And I mean, I did somehow try to make it a little bit seamless, but it is what it is. So now I am going to apply that nude onto my nails to do a Frenchie. I do have that area that is very, I don't know, I feel like it was in contact with alcohol. It looks like it has been in contact with acetone, but ignore that, okay? And then I am going to clean up the sides, of course, to make sure that my Frenchie looks neat. I'm not sure if using acetone is a good idea because, as you can see, the acetone literally leaves my nails literally so dry. So these are all the jelly colors that I have. Most of them are luminous, so they do glow in the dark, which I find to be cool, but that's not the whole point of this nail set. So yeah, I am just going to apply these colors onto my nails and just make sure that I just place them randomly. So I am going color by color because I don't want to clean my brush and then put on the same color. So I'm just using the same color on all my nails, and then I clean the, and then I cure, and then I clean the brush, then use the next color, and so forth. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Back set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find a pick up at 5. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. So this is how the stained nails are looking so far. I am going to outline the nails with this black from Wendy Beauty. So basically just separating the colors using this black color. And of course I am going to outline the Frenchie as well, so that it looks somewhat neat, because I did, you know, cross over the colors over the nude color. So just trying to make that neat. I hope it turns out as good as all the other stained nails I've seen around.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Right, I love that. Let me cure that. And I am going to protect the nail with a top coat because I don't want any lint on it while I'm working on the other nail. So I'm just going to protect this nail and the other nail, because I did both nails of the other nail off camera, and I was working on both the nails at the same time. And I'm just going to protect them with top coat, like I said, before I go on to my next nail. There we go. I mean, the cuticle areas aren't looking too clean, but let's ignore that, okay? Or not. It's actually kind of bothering me.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back.
There we go. I did try, okay? I did try. So on to the next stained glass design. I thought of doing this from external, like this kind of design. I don't know what they use, but this whole thing reminded me of certain sequins that I have, so I want to do that. And of course I am watching Zule's nails as I do my nails. If you know, you know. I love watching her work while I work. But yeah, I am going to be doing something like that. I mean, not something like that, but this design reminded me of these sequins that I want to use on my nails. So I thought, let me try that. They might look quite good, you know, looking like stained nails. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna apply those. I'm gonna put those on using a base coat. I don't know, base coat looks a bit thin, but let's see if they will catch on to the base coat. Oh, and some of them are actually stuck to one another, so I have to remove that. Okay, I feel like base coat is a bit thin. Maybe I should use yeah, maybe I should use glue gel because it's a bit thicker. Glue gel is also really tacky, so this means I will have to, you know, top coat the whole nail. So yeah, hopefully these will stick better on the glue gel instead, because it looks like the base coat is too thin to keep these in place. I like that. I mean, they're a bit too thick, but I will cover these with top coat when I top coat these nails. So yeah, now I am going to be doing my ring finger, and I want to do what looks like an ombre. So I am going to start from the top of the nail going all the way to the bottom, and I want to see what it looks like when I actually ombre these. I'm going to use all the different colors and let's just see if they blend in together. I actually love these. I've never used these before. I got these from Shein, by the way. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, decides who on the location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie, cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too on the low. My flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Right, so now I am just going with top coat over my nails to protect these nails. And also, like I said, I did use glue gel, so the glue gel is very tacky, so I am also protecting the rest of my nails from catching on lint. And basically that is the design. For my pinky, I am thinking of actually doing the same as I did on my thumb and my middle finger, but without the Frenchie. There we go, I've done my pinky off camera, basically the same thing, just without the Frenchie. And I want to outline my pinky with this number 58 Wendy Beauty color. As I'm doing this, I actually do not know how I feel about the outline. I mean, it's not bad, but I feel like it's not as popping as the black. But let's just see. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't look quite right, so I am wiping it off, and I am going to use black instead because I feel like black pops, and as you can see it does. It is very distinct with separating the colors, so I will stick with the black instead.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Can you see me?
I think that looks much better, so I'm gonna cure that. And this is how the nails are looking. Let me apply this cuticle oil from Wendy Beauty. Let me know what you guys think about this nail set. I do feel like I could have gotten away with doing 2 nail sets with this stained glass, using the sequins as one nail set and using the gel colors with the other nail set. But I mean, it's still a good nail set in my opinion. What do you guys think about this nail set? If you guys have any positive comments, you know, constructive criticism, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how I could have improved this nail set. Also, if you're still watching this far, please leave a heart emoji, 3 different color heart emojis if you will, to let me know that you've watched all the way. Also, I appreciate if you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been throw up the sex in her.